continued going, which I did with a couple of friends as well, as employees. And so they both kind of simultaneously developed and scaled. And that was really good because in the machine building business, we could use the recycling business as a live testing area, or a live customer. And as the recycling business, we would always have like our own machine company department that would say, okay, this machine, I think it would work better this way, do it. And then, this is how they would interact. And this is how they interact till this day and how they profit from each other. So that's the real, I guess, special thing about us, that we do not only build machines, but we also do the recycling. We kind of are not just a one-sided company, but we do kind of both. And that interconnectedness really gives us the advantage in the industry, because other companies, imagine if you only do the recycling, they would, if something breaks, they would have to call some company and wait for repair parts. Here, the friend who's like literally at the other side of a factory, I can say, hey, this broke, we have to change this, and we just 3D print a part that's going to fix it and put it back in immediately. And that's kind of the difference that sets us apart and puts us ahead.
I was wondering, who are your clients for both businesses?